Hi students, so today you have received your PUC exam 1 results, and most of you will be happy after seeing the results, and few of you will be not satisfied with the marks that you have scored, right? So nothing to worry. So there are so many ways that you can improve your mark. So in that the first one is applying for a revaluation. So before applying revaluation, so you have to check your paper first. So that is the procedure. So I just explain you the procedure to apply for that. So I'll take only 2 to 3 minutes to explain that. So watch this video carefully and note down all the important points. So the first one is, so application phase is very important. So the application phase is for scanned copy. First the procedure that you have to do is a scanned copy. You will get the scanned copy of your paper. So for that, for one copy it is 530 rupees, and for revaluation it is 1670. So this comes later, so we'll talk about this revaluation a little later. And for retotaling, so after getting the scanned copy, so this is the first procedure where you will get the scanned copy. So after seeing the paper, if you feel that if there is any mistake in the total, in that case for retotaling it is free. For revaluation, so you have to pay 1670 rupees. So that is per subject. The last date, so very important, these dates are, so for scanned copy from today till 13th we have date for downloading the scanned copy. So by 12 they'll release in their website, Karnataka website. I will put that in the description box. So 12 to 16 you have time to download the scanned copy. And for applying retotaling, you have time till 12 to 17. So to 17 is the last date. So for retotaling, you have to do the procedure. So I'll explain what is the procedure. So let's see what is that you have to follow to do that. So let's see what is that. So the first procedure is open the website. So the website is this. I'll put this in the description box too. So open there. Next one is access the application. So click on the application for photography. So click on application for photography or retotaling or revaluation link on the home page. So in home page you get this option. So click on that. Next, enter your register number. For your exam 1, you will have a register number. So your hall ticket is very important. So don't throw it now itself. So keep it safe, and you have to enter that register number. And if you need any help, so read the how to apply section for your understanding. Next one, verify the details and select the subject. So check your personal details. So once you enter the number, it will produce all your details. So read everything carefully, and after that, so there is a subject that you want to scanned copy. So whatever the subject that you want to see the scanned copy, so enter all those. So next one, provide contact information. So this is very important. Enter your phone number and a valid email address. Both are very important, but because for further communications they will be using these phone number and the email address for the next process. So next one, make payment. So this payment procedure is very important. So proceed with the online payment by clicking on payment button. Yeah, there are two options. One is payment through cash or payment through online. So I would request you to go for this payment through online. So this is actually easy than the other one. So once you click on that, you go to a new window where it asks you to do the process. So do not refresh while doing the payments. So this is very important. It takes some time to upload all of this. Don't refresh in between. Next, receive confirmation. So after payment successful, you will get a confirmation message on your registered phone number. So keep the challan number safe as it will be required for the further processing. So to download the exam so photocopy, so the challan number is very important. So that's why keep it safe. So now download the scanned copy. So this is the last procedure. So download the last copy. Wait until 12th of this month to download the scanned copy. Scanned copy will be only available through the department's official link. Avoid clicking on any unnecessary links. So this is since the scams are going on, be very careful with this part. So only whatever the link that they say, only open through official links that is given by Karnataka government. Next one, Application for retotaling. So it's not a big process, children. Once after getting the scanned copy, if you see any error, so you can go for a retotaling. So this is completely free. Follow the same procedure without paying payment. It's free and no need to download any challenge for this. Since it is free, so there's no need to download anything. But for your confirmation, so they will produce some of the, they will send you some information to your mobile phone. Next, application for revaluation. So this is very important. Now if you want to apply for a revaluation, so there are some procedures that you have to follow. The first one is you can apply only after getting the photocopy. So that's why getting a photocopy is very important. Next one, so during revaluation, any marks added or deducted will be replaced the original marks. Now for example, in the first exam, you would have scored around 70 out of 80. Now in the after applying the revaluation, now for example, you might score 2 mark less or 2 mark more. So in that case, your old mark will not be considered, your new mark will be considered, whether it is low, higher mark or lesser mark. So the new mark they are going to consider. Next, the photocopy application procedure will be followed for revaluation as well. The same procedure that you followed for photocopy, the same application steps will be followed even for this. So there is a phone number. So for more information, please call that number. So this number is very important, children. So for helpline, anytime you can call them and check the details below. So I hope you will get a good results in the retotaling or revaluation. If not, don't worry, go for a second exam or third exam. And Karnataka government has already announced that there is no exam fees for second examination and third examination. So this is actually a good initiative by Karnataka government. So please take the benefits that is given by government and score well in the upcoming examination. Thank you, children. All the best for your upcoming exams.